Dr. DIY here. My hammered nickel plated native trail sink is looking pretty dirty. Let's get it looking like that. Step one, got to get the water hot first. You don't want to be pouring cold water when you're trying to clean. Here's the real secret: household strength vinegar mixed with water 1 to 1. So it's a 50% mixture. Spray it on there, and to keep it sticking to the sides instead of just running down, you can use some paper towels and spray them on. Look how that scum's already starting to dissolve. 5 minutes
Five
later,
minutes
you
have
can pull
gone
off the
by.
paper towels and get to work and see what happened. Look at all that scum that already started to dissolve. Here's a second secret: use one of these Scotch Brite towels. They're non abrasive, but they're a little more robust than a regular paper towel. Look at the soap scum coming off. I don't like to use a sponge on this step because then all that scum just gets stuck on your sponge and ruins it. But these Scotch Brite towels are a one-time use. Look at that stuff. Yuck. So spray it down, wipe it down. Look how the sink's already getting shiny. Take off the little stopper. We'll clean that later. Now use a viscose cloth and some dish detergent. I use some Dawn. Again, the viscose cloth is non-abrasive because we're working on this brushed nickel surface over the hammered sink. Scrub it all down with the Dawn soap with the hot water, then rinse it off. And it's already looking pretty clean. To get that stopper thing cleaned off, let's use some Dawn and an old toothbrush and scrub that thing down. Get all that crud off. Then rinse it off. Give it a little scrub with the hot water. And now it looks pretty good. All right, time to wipe it dry. When you put on the protective wax, it needs to really be bone dry. So get it all dry, even down in there. Look how shiny it is. This is before the wax. Here's the manufacturer recommended Flitz faucet wax. Shake it up good. Then you apply some on there. You can put it on the sink or on a paper towel and spread it around. You need to let it dry to a haze, they say. I waited about 20 minutes. Then I used a paper towel to wipe off some of the excess. You'll get some of that kind of nickel looking color on there. And then I buffed it with a soft cloth. Make sure you buff it all out. You don't want to leave residue. You can see how I missed a little spot down here right next to the sink drain. You can see the difference in the color close up, but it's hard to tell far away. Look at this end result. The sink looks great. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like so it's easier to find by others. Consider subscribing. This is Dr. DIY signing off. I'll see you the next time something breaks.